Hi, this is Kapil. Well, with every Indian meal, we look for some different kind of raita, right? So my today's recipe is a very unique raita. I'm making pumpkin raita. It's super easy and quick and very delicious. So let's start. Here I have already boiled pumpkin, and pumpkin has to be nice and soft, tender. So what I'll do first, I'll slice it. You must have eaten so many raitas in your life, but this is so easy and so unique. So next we'll take another bowl, and into the bowl I'll add curd. I'll lightly whisk the curd and just add a little bit of water to make it slightly thin, and you can adjust the consistency of raita as per your liking. Nicely whisked. So now I'll add boiled pumpkin and season it with salt and little sugar for balance of flavors. And for nice crunch, I'm adding roasted peanuts, which are coarsely crushed. Now mix it. So now, raita is done. No. Here comes the final part, which is the tempering. So for tempering, into the pan I'm adding ghee. So once ghee is hot, I'll add mustard seeds, cumin seeds, and let the seeds crackle a bit. And I'll add asafoetida, green chilies, and curry leaves. Now switch off the gas, stir it, and this tempering goes into the bowl of raita. Now mix the tempering into the raita, and it's looking delicious. It's smelling so delicious. Curry leaves, hing, it's amazing flavors. Now, just time to serve. So do try this unique and easy pumpkin raita recipe at home. Take care and goodbye.